Jain student, today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is index number. The concept of index number can be best understood through the example that consider the situation rising price during the year 2014. In this context, we are faced with the three basic questions. First, compared to which year we have the price rising due to 2014. Second, how we handle the situation when price of the some good rise more than the others. Thirdly, can price of different good can be expressed in any other and standard unit, or different unit are used to be express price of different goods and services, such that price of milk to be expressed in the terms of the rupees per liter, of the cloth in the terms of rupees per meter, and the sweets in the rupees per kilogram. Firstly, the study of index number answer all these questions. First, rise in the price during the 2040 would be study only with reference to some previous year like 2001 or 2004. Otherwise, there may be statement that price during 2010 to be a rise would make no sense. 2014 will be treated as the current year and the 2001 or as the base year. The price during the base year taken as the price 2000's price during the current year are related to the base year. Price during the current year are related to the base year price, that we find out the percentage change in price level over the year level of price is called the index of price. Since the price of base year is assumed to be 100, we can say that index of the price of the base year is always 100. Second questions, how do we handle the situation where price of some goods change more than the others? The study of index number suggests is take over average change. Thus, if the price of the potato rise from the 100 to 200, the price of the onion has been risen from 100 to 200. We shall consider average change only 200 plus 300 divided by 2 is equal to 250. Thus, it is the average index of the price for various goods and services such is constructed for different year and compared with the base year. Third, as regarded other problem expressing the price of various goods and services, some of homogeneous unit, the theory of index number suggests to consider only percentage change in the price of various goods or services. When change in price is expressed as a percentage change, it's the unit of commodity like liter of milk, meter of cloth lose the advances. Thus, what does the study of index numbers do? It helps us to find the percentage change in the value of different variable, maybe price of different goods and production of different commodities over the time with reference to some base year which happen to be the year of the comparison. When various goods are be studied simultaneously, the percentage change is taken as the average for all the goods. According to the countdown, the index number are device of measuring the difference in the magnitude of the group of related variables. What are the features and characteristics of index number? The first, measure of relatively change. Index number measure relatively percentage change in the variable over the time. Index number of price, for example, is not simply as a statement of price at different date. It presents estimate of percentage change in the price over the year with reference to some selected base year. If the index of the price stand 200 in 2000 compared to 100 in 2004, it is suggested that compared to the base year price have risen by the 100%. Next, quantitative expression. Index number of offer price measurement of the quantitative change in the concurrent variable over the time. The index of the price, for example, will tell us the between the year of 2013 and 14 price have been risen by 7%, or that industrial production declined by 3%, or the national income risen by 3.5% during this period. Next, average index number show the change in the terms of average. For the example, when it is said to be between the year 2013 and 14 price have been risen by 7%, but it does not mean that the price of all the goods and services are uniformly risen by the 7%. It only means that the average that have been taken the 7% in the price of various goods and services, and when the price of certain goods might have risen by more than 7%, the certain other by the less than 7%.